All right, we are here at the Highland Park Professional Center. Turn around. We got an old Rotary elevator. But look, somebody left the key right in the firebox. Odd. Very tiny. Oh, look, this thing is tiny. I want to see if I can get a good, but look, like I can touch the ceiling so easily. I barely even have to reach up. I just put my hand up, like just not even a foot above the top of my head, and it's right there. Yeah, little tiny thing. Anyway, capacity is 1,500 pounds. 1893 Sheridan. All right, let's go up. And this does have a replaced pump. Tiny little thing. Button here. That's pretty cool. It's very interesting. So this thing has been modernized, but it still retains a lot of its original things, like the old fixtures it has. I'd be pretty willing to bet that these wood panels are not original, considering they're sort of like carved around the panel. I think they were put in after the fact. If I had to guess, I'd say this just had like a simple metal cab, and they put the panel in after. Anyway,
so if you change your mind, come back upstairs.
that's going to be it. And also you can see they've modded it many times. They have 3 different escutcheon holes. That looks like the original one, and that looks like the most new one. But anyway, that will be it.